Hi, I'm Vijay. I'm going to explain how to use the syllabus tool in the G Classroom. As a faculty, enter into the G Classroom. So faculty could able to see your navigation bar, home and mentor present courses. Click on present courses. So already the faculty, whatever the course is created, it will appear as a terms related to triangles already is created the course. These are the default tools in this syllabus tool. So I'm going to explain how to use the syllabus tool. Let us click on syllabus tool portlet. We can see that here in this layout the create and edit button is appears. If we click on create button and we can add the syllabus. Let us click on create. We'll able to see here three buttons. One is add, redirect and preview. Add button is useful to add the syllabus. Redirect, so redirect is useful. Instead of giving the syllabus here, you can give the URL which is given by university as a syllabus of particular course. Preview, we can see the sample of syllabus course. So let us click on add. When you click on add button, here we'll get that screen by consisting that add syllabus. So let us give the title as terms related to triangles. We can see that here in this window we can enter the syllabus list in this, or you can attach the file which is containing the syllabus list. So let us write the comment to the participant. Syllabus list is added to the attachment. So we can list out the syllabus in this window, or we can attach the file over here. You can see that here radio button. This is only members of this site can see this syllabus item. So whoever the participants of the members of this site, they can see the syllabus. Or if you click on this radio button, this syllabus item is publicly viewable. So everyone publicly viewable, everyone could able to see the syllabus list. So let us add the attachment over here. You can see that here upload local file, choose file. Let us choose a file, desktop, whatever the file which is related to topic, terms related to triangles. You could observe here terms related to triangles document is file has come here, or you can give the URL. So let us click on continue. You can see that here the file is attached to terms related to triangles, size of the file, and so whoever is the faculty name here and whoever is the modified the file. Email notification. So when you click on this drop down button, so no notification, high all participants, and low not received by those who have opted out. So no notification if a faculty doesn't want to send any syllabus information to the participants, then no need to send anything to them. And all participants, if you want to send the information, syllabus information to the participants, you can send, or else you can send the syllabus to the people, the participants, like whoever is writer for the members of this site course. You can see here post, preview, save, draft, cancel. The four buttons are there. Post means we can post the syllabus, preview sample of the syllabus data, save draft. If the faculty doesn't want to send the syllabus right now, so you can save the file and you can send whenever he wants to the participants. Cancel, if the faculty doesn't want to send any syllabus, so you can cancel the. Let us click on post. So when you click on a post, the syllabus item, the terms related to triangles that are syllabus as added here. Now you can see that here, once if you click on it, this, if you click on it and if you click on update, okay, then we can remove the syllabus item from the list. So when you click on this update, so are you sure you want to delete the specified item? So if you want to delete, we can delete, or if you want to cancel, then cancel it. So we have cancelled that. Okay, then terms related to triangle syllabus is already there. So this is the way we can create the syllabus to the courses. Thank you.